Hi, I'm Anita. I'm Product Marketing Manager for Webex devices here at Cisco in Lysaker in Norway. And I'm standing here with Gisle, who is the technical lead for audio for the Webex devices. And he's really sitting in the middle of where all the exciting innovation happens. So here at Lysaker, we really focus on delivering the best customer experience. So we put a lot of effort into every single little detail that goes into these devices. So, Gisle, could you please tell us a little bit more about the Room Kit Mini here?
Yes, this is an all-in-one artificial intelligence-powered video conferencing system. It has an integrated codec, speakers, camera, microphones, everything packed into a single package. And it basically delivers the same experience as the larger Webex devices. But this is really tailored for the small rooms, what we call the huddle spaces. We put a lot of effort into the performance, so it has really great design, really great camera. My favorite is a really great audio system.
So you have packed some unbelievable technology into this small device here, the Room Kit Mini. So before, customers had to choose between paying for a really fantastic experience or solely settling for something that's mediocre. So with the Room Kit Mini here, you have a lower total cost of ownership, and Gisle is about to show us how the sound quality contributes to creating this impressive experience, even in the smallest rooms. So Gisle, could you please do a demo for us of the Room Kit Mini?
Sure, I'll do that.
So let's listen first to the Room Kit Mini.
I caught a cold, don't say a word. It won't last long, slips off my tongue. I didn't go at the races at night, I'm home alone. I'd like to meet new faces somewhere outside my door. I'm asking for
Wow, you can really hear the difference between these two. So Gisle, could you tell us a little bit about why you put so much effort into making the sound quality as good as possible?
Yes, I can. There are two things I'd like to point out especially. One is we like people to enjoy using our products. Listening to high quality audio is enjoyable. We have high quality systems with high video quality, and having an audio quality that matches that is good, we think, for the experience. The other aspect of it is these are professional tools for the meeting room. So having a high quality audio system actually reduces stress levels in meetings. It's less likely to misunderstand what people are saying. You get less tired basically having a high quality audio system. So it's important, and that's why we spend a lot of effort.
Great. Thank you so much, Gisle, for taking your time to demonstrate this for us today. And for more information on the Cisco Webex Room Kit Mini, please visit our website or follow us on social media.